Jamari assists for Amari today. How do you feel the combination is going down the left-hand side?
Yeah, it's good. Me and Belly have good chemistry. And I've known Belly for many years. We played together at Birmingham when we were kids, when we were scholars, so it's nice to be playing here, representing Jamaica, to help him score a goal, to help the team win. Great moment.
Alright, thanks Jamari. Yeah.
Send that coming.
Yeah, man, I will. I will.
As soon as I get a chance.
Yeah, man. Hehehehe